Hi, I'm Jennet Ingle, the 5-minute Reedmaker. I thought I would talk briefly today about oboe d'amore reeds, because the gig I'm working on next week is a d'amore gig. It's a Bach festival. And so I need to be able to play the oboe d'amore, and so I've made a couple of little reeds here. Honestly, making oboe d'amore reeds is almost exactly the same as making oboe reeds. It's really just like barely even a cross between oboe reeds and English horn reeds, but I thought I'd talk about them real fast. First of all, here's a d'amore staple compared to an English horn staple. You can see that they're almost identical. The d'amore is only the littlest bit smaller. For a shape for oboe d'amore reeds, I just use a Rigotti 2. It's the widest oboe shape I could find. I found that when I used to purchase cane from other people for oboe d'amore, it was always too wide, and so the reeds came out super flat, and I was always having to manipulate them with my mouth to play them in tune. So I just got the widest oboe shape I could find, and now I basically make an oboe reed on a d'amore tube. It's a little wider than an oboe reed that I would be comfortable with, but it seems to work out great. Here's, for example, I think this is on my Joshua 2 shape, the oboe reed is, and here's my little teeny cute d'amore reed. You can see that it's just the littlest bit wider, but not a whole lot, and if you take a close look at the proportions of the reed, I think I've lined them up exactly the same. When I wind a blank onto the d'amore tube, I go for about between 51 and 52 millimeters. And now that I've got it completed, looks like I have my the bottom of my heart starting at about 38 and the top of the heart at about 43 millimeters. Finished length is around 49. Again, I don't really have strict hard and fast numbers that I use for these. I kind of just do them by feel. Because if you can make an oboe reed, you can make an oboe d'amore reed. They do crow, or they should. But it's real hard for me to pinpoint. There it is. Where that crow is exactly, and I want to say that the pitch even changes from reed to reed. It's not a thing that I get overly concerned with, but here off screen I'm turning on my tuner, and it looks like my crow is about an E flat. So that's it. There's really nothing to making oboe d'amore reeds, but I did want to talk about it, and I want to point out that this d'amore reed that I've accomplished here is the second of my make 2 reeds a week for myself goal this summer. So I will be posting this video over on my Facebook page, Jennet Ingle Oboist, and I'm going to be hashtagging it 2 reeds a week for everyone to enjoy. And if you want to join in this challenge with me and make sure that your reed case also is updated with 2 fresh, new, yummy reeds every single week this summer, you too should hashtag 2 reeds a week over on Facebook somewhere. That's really the only platform I live on. And share what you're doing. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.